Welcome to this lesson where we are going to take a look at rewrites. To be specific, we are going to look at fronted adjectives. In case you are in need of good pamphlets, in case you are in need of tuitions, you can find everything on this app, Pathfinder. The installation link is in the description. So what are fronted adjectives? So the definition for fronted adjectives is these are adjectives placed at the beginning of a sentence for emphasis, often followed by as or though to show contrast. Okay, so in short, they are just normal adjectives that are put at the beginning of a sentence. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that gives us more information about a noun. Nouns are naming words, okay, like person, like orange, okay. So if I say this is a sweet orange, the word sweet, it's an adjective because it tells us more about this orange. It's not any type of orange, but it's a type that is sweet. Okay, so the word sweet is an adjective. So words that gives us more information about a noun are called adjectives. Okay, so these adjectives are put at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, so fronted adjectives are common feature in formal or literary English. Okay, oh, by the way, fronted means at the beginning or at the front, okay, of a sentence. Okay, so they're just common feature that you can use in formal English or literary English. Okay, that point is not important in real life, but just in case you want to use it in your day-to-day, you want to use fronted adjectives in your day-to-day lives, you can use without issues. So how do we rewrite fronted adjectives, or what is the structure of a sentence that has fronted adjectives? So the structure is simple. You start with the adjective such as sweet, then you you put as or though, okay, plus subject plus verb, then the main clause, which is the main part of the sentence. So this structure and the fronted adjectives are used to replace although or even though in complex sentences. So if you have a sentence that has although or even though, you can use fronted adjectives to transform it, to rewrite it. So we look at the examples. However, today we're not going to look at 10 examples, or should I say, in this lesson, some of you are watching more than one lesson per day. So in this lesson, we're going to look just at 5 examples. I'm sure you will get the concept. It's simple. Okay. I know maybe when I showed you the structure of a sentence that uses fronted adjectives, maybe you may have been intimidated by the terms adjective, main clause, subject, verb, okay? But in reality, it is simple, as you will see. So number 1, although the day is hot, he wore a coat. Although the day is hot, he wore a coat. Okay, meaning that the day was hot. There was no need to wear a coat. Okay, so here we can use fronted adjectives. Okay, so the question in an exam can be begin what. Okay, begin what. Okay, so this is the fronted adjective, this one, which talks about the day, which was hot. Okay, so after hot, you can write as, okay, or though. Okay, then now you write what was hot. then now you complete the sentence like so. Hot as the day is, he wore a coat. Although the day is hot, hot as the day is, he wore a coat. As you can see, the meaning is the same. So although has been replaced by this arrangement of words that use fronted adjectives. Although the day is hot, he wore a coat. Hot as the day is, he wore a coat. So this one has been left out. Number 2, even though the job was hard, they finished. The job was hard, so we did not expect them to finish, but they finished. So the adjective here is hard, okay? What was hard? The job. So using fronted adjective, the question can be begin hard, okay? So hard, then you can put as or though, okay? Hard though the job was, they finished. Hard though the job was, they finished, okay? Number 3, although he is poor, he is generous. Although he is poor, he is generous, okay? Being generous, he's able he's good-hearted, he's able to give money. Though he's poor, he doesn't have money, okay? So begin, so the adjective is poor. So the question can be begin poor, okay? Poor, who is poor? He, right? So you can start poor as or poor though, right? So it's poor as he is generous. Number 4, even though the room was dark, she found the key. Even though the room was dark, she found the key. Okay, so the adjective is dark. What was dark? The room. Okay, so we're going to start with dark as or dark though. Okay, and the question would say begin dark. Okay, so it will be dark as the room was, she found the key. The last example, although he is shy, he sings well. We don't expect someone who is shy to sing well. Okay, so the adjective is shy. It tells us that this person is this kind of person, a shy person. So begin shy. Okay, shy, it can be shy as he is or shy though. Okay, shy though he is, he sings well. Okay, so that's how to deal with fronted adjectives. See you in the next lesson.